Alright, this is probably going to be the last wheel of the day. It's getting pretty hot out here. It's over 100 for sure already. But working on a Porsche here. And you can see somebody just took a paintbrush and painted over their curb rash. And you have all the peeling in there. There's some more at the bottom. But let's go ahead and get this one cleaned up. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button. I'll get going on this shortly. What we're going to do is grind this out with the conditioning disc. There's some more here at the bottom that's out of the camera view, but it's a small spot. I'm just going to knock that one out real quick. And then I'll start working on this upper area here. So conditioning disc first. All right, a little bit more right there. Switch over to a 320 grit disc to take out all these grinder marks and reshape the wheel. All right, now we're going to scuff everywhere I just sanded. These scuff pads are linked below in the description. I use a ton of these. They last for a while. You get multiple cars out of half a pad, but you still go through them pretty fast. They fill up with dust and then switch to a new one. So let's clean this up and get some paint on it. And then we'll cover that up with the clear coat.